Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wanted to cook oysters at home but felt a bit intimidated? You're in the right place. We're diving into the wonderful world of oyster preparation, making it easy and accessible for everyone. Get ready to impress yourself and your guests with these tasty shellfish, right from your own kitchen. You'll find it's a truly rewarding culinary experience. Before cooking, proper cleaning is essential. First, give your oysters a good scrub under cold running water, brushing away any dirt or grit. Now for shucking, grab a sturdy oyster knife and a towel to protect your hand. Locate the hinge, insert the knife, and twist gently to pop it open. Then, carefully run the blade along the inside to detach the oyster from both shells. It gets easier with a little practice, honestly. One of the simplest ways to enjoy oysters is by steaming or grilling them. For steaming, just place them in a steamer basket over boiling water. They'll open slightly in about 5 to 10 minutes. Grilling is similar. Put them directly on a hot grill. Wait until the shells pop open, usually within 7 to 10 minutes. These methods preserve their natural briny flavor beautifully, making them wonderfully tender. If you're looking for something a bit more indulgent, consider baking or frying your oysters. For baked oysters, top them with a delicious mixture of butter, herbs, and breadcrumbs, then bake until bubbly and golden brown. If frying, lightly batter your shucked oysters and cook them quickly in hot oil until crispy. These methods offer a richer, delightful culinary experience. Once your oysters are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them right away, hot off the grill or out of the oven. Classic accompaniments include fresh lemon wedges, a dash of your favorite hot sauce, or a simple mignonette. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings, either. Enjoy your delicious, homemade oyster feast, savoring every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.